Hi, Bailey.
Can you tell me more about yourself?
Well, I'm a welder, and I'm your sister. And I work at Obermeyer Hydro. It's a welding shop. We build water dams, and I've been welding for 7 or 8 years now.
What do you enjoy the most about welding?
Well, I like being able to manufacture different projects, being able to build something and it goes out in the world and I can be like one day to my kids or my grandkids or whoever, I built that. That's still standing still today. So Bailey, why did you want to follow my footsteps? Is it because I'm cool?
Yeah, of course you're cool, but ma'am.
Damn.
Well, at first I was going to follow your footsteps, but then our mother told me to do what I really wanted to do, and welding is the better choice for me because I am deaf of my hearing, and I feel like welding more cooperated with me because it's more hands-on. I learn better with more hands-on, and I have to talk to so many people when I'm welding. So. Did you have any struggles when you started your welding program or future?
Yes, I had to teach myself because I have a learning disability. So I had to reteach myself on how to read a tape measure, and I had to teach myself on how to do certain things a different way than the guys did. I am also a very short person, so I've had to teach myself how to go to extents of doing different things.
What are your advice to give the students or someone like me, like your sister?
My advice to kids or to you is to make sure you go to class, make sure you stay in school, and always choose a career in what you want to do. Make the career fun for you. So my biggest advice, Bailey, is to finish school and don't let anybody tell you that you can't do it. Make sure that you show them that you're here to be here and don't let anybody tell you differently.